How to disable Microsoft Family features. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to disable Microsoft Family features. So now let's get started. First of all, go to the search bar on Windows 10 or 11 and type in Task Manager. Or you can simply click Windows plus X on your keyboard, and this will open a menu where you need to go ahead and tap on Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is opened, click on More Details to expand it. Click on the Services tab in the top. Scroll down to find a service starting with WPC. It should be labeled as WPC MONSVC and have parental controls in the description. Now right-click on the WPC MONSVC and select Stop. Click on Open Services. A new window will appear. Scroll down to find the parental controls. And once you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. Now in the Startup Type drop-down, change it from Manual to Disabled. This will prevent it from running automatically. And then click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now close the Services window and the Task Manager. You have now disabled the Microsoft Family features. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.